told you, good morning. Going to go get a fuel rod because there is, I'm by myself, great. There is an impending hurricane, and just in case the power goes, I want to have my phone. So yes, I'm going to go get a fuel rod because I don't actually own one. And then I'm going to have another explore around the shop, see if there's anything that I like, or to buy. And then I am going to sit by the pool. So I think I showed you the building. So my building is where Lightning McQueen, and I can't remember the blue car's name. I do like cars, I just can't remember characters from cars. My little Disney parks, the Halloween treats one on, because today, title of the video, we are going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I am not wearing this attire. I am changing, so I'll show you that, because honestly I love it. Yeah, because there's an impending hurricane, I don't really know what to do. This is the first hurricane we've been here, but we're staying on property. So yeah, so about 10 minutes after expected. I don't know why, I think they're just having some issues. I am finally sat by the pool, about to read my book. Yes, I've finally converted to a Kindle, if you're new here. Was very anti-Kindle and full Kindle. I like this pool. It's nice. I'm not gonna go that way because there's kids in the pool. But yeah, but because there is an impending hurricane, I have a feeling it's gonna be a very different, not so scary. I think we're gonna get a lot of things rained off, which is sad times all round, because I go for the Booty parade and I go for the Santa Sun show. That's what I pay for, because I loves it. The candy is an added bonus. So thought I'd do an outfit of the day today because I love it. So this is a dress from Cakeworthy, and it is the Haunted Mansion wallpaper. I absolutely love it, and I thought, what could be more perfect for Mickey's Not So Scary? Got a hair tie here from We've Got Ears. That's not her name anymore, it's We Go Anywhere. I can't remember, she's changed it so many times. That, and then Buzz Lightyear trainers, because I'm cool. Didn't film in Walmart because it was mad hectic and we were just getting bits and bobs, and everybody knows what a Walmart looks like. If you can't tell, we're in Disney Springs in the Line garage, because that's in the middle of everything. And yeah, we're gonna have a mood for like half an hour and then head over to Magic Kingdom. Very quick trip to Disney Springs just to pick up the gift card, and now we're on our way to Magic Kingdom. That's why I didn't film anything in Disney Springs. Also, busy for the time. We normally come around that time, like 2 o'clock ish, and it's normally quieter. From monorail to your one more time for me. I did wipe my finger. Thank you.
You are together.
Yes, thank you.
What, did yours not work?
It's, my finger was sweaty. Over at Magic Kingdom for the first time this trip. And are you ready? Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Here it is. I love the colour.
I may have to get that one. Ta-da!
Oh, and you got a lot of color.
Uh-huh. I do.
Oh my gosh.
And Hero's on the other.
Yay.
Yeah.
This one lady had Ariel, but like an evil Ariel.
I've got Ariel like a pin-up.
Cute. Yeah, she had like an evil Ariel and she was eating Ursula's skull and stuff.
Oh, that is cool. Bye. Time for food. I'm really hungry. All I've eaten is a breakfast bar. I can just feel sweat dripping down my back. It's not nice. Yeah, well, yeah. Liberty Tree. Look who I've spotted. Is that not Jack? Salad and bread rolls. Pass them over. Are they warm? Yeah, ish. Exciting. I think I showed the main food. I think we're enjoying it. Favourite's the turkey. I also really like the stuffing. It's quite garlicky, which I like. What's your favourite? The beef? Dad?
All of it?
All of it. Narrows it down. And the mac and cheese is okay. It's not the best mac and cheese I've ever had, but the turkey's delicious. I feel like turkey in our country, in the UK, is really underrated. I think too many people poo on it and it's only a Christmas thing. But I love turkey. I remembered, here's the toffee cake. I think it's just like a sticky toffee pudding-ish thing. Are you being mother?
Yeah, I think so.
With ice cream and stuff.
If you came on your own, you just have one. Why have we got three then?
Well, you can ask for more.
So,
You can ask for more if you want more. No, thanks. Right. This is what I did yesterday. What? Do you think you're funny? Yeah. Oh my god, you absolute PIG. It's easy to do a taste test on this. That's good. I like ice cream, so that's an automatic win for me. It's not like our sticky toffee like pudding. That's got chocolate in it.
that is nice.
Our sticky toffee pudding's dates in the UK. This is chocolatey.
It's lovely.
It's good. I've never been complimented more in my life. She just went, as I walked out, as I walked out, the girl there, she was like, oh, I like your shoes. And I was like, oh, thanks. Got them for less than £20. Thank you, Adidas. Let's do this. So I may have bought a Spirit jersey and I definitely got this bag too. I need to try and find my parents wherever they may be. Found them. That's alright. It's okay. Thank you.
Have a nice one.
Thank you. We've done a DAS pass for Buzz and then just gonna chill out. Brilliant, thank you. Can guarantee I'm gonna lose at this one because I'm not very good at Buzz. I said I was pants at this ride on Mimi. It's still not very good. We're barely on there. We are Ranger first classes though. I think for the first time in my life. The socks ears. So we just did Buzz as you saw. I didn't do very well. I'm not very good at that ride.
That's because you were cheating. She kept moving me.
I didn't know. I've never spun it before.
You know what I think I got all mine from? On the first one to the wedding, I got one.
That down at the bottom. But yeah, no, I know where to shoot it. It's just I seem to aim for that, and it never happens. I think it's because you can't see where your laser is going, and I think that's why I'm a bit better at midway, because you can see where it's going. We've just booked a DAS for Haunted Mansion, so we're bimbling over that way. Gonna go have a mooch in Big Top Souvenirs. Have you seen all the trains and stuff they've got for the 50th? Look, they got like a lorry as well. I absolutely love this new section of Fantasyland though. I think it's just so well themed. Look. Oh, that's cute. I still think they did Punzi dirty just given a toilet. But it's so pretty.
Please be moving all the way forward, folks. Lean all of that dead space. My parents, Bernie, you're going to space your right in the center.
Yep.
Please be moving all the way forward, folks. Filling in as much of that dead space as possible.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
This morning, the spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated.
Call in the spirits, wherever they're at.
And then like every other vlogger, way at the back, you can see Toad of Toad Hall.
Yeah.
It's trying its hardest, isn't it, to spittle. We're just waiting until the party starts because there's no rides to go on. Yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna film if it's gonna rain a lot, but I will try my hardest. Blooming hurricanes. Just sat on a bench near, where are we near? The boat. I've reversed it to iPhone cam because it's soggy. I don't want to get my really expensive camera wet. Instead I'll get my really expensive slightly waterproof phone wet. Think smarter. Use the bag as an umbrella. I can see. I swear. Ah! Ooh. Have you got M&Ms already? Oh, they're lucrative apparently this year, Dad. I don't know what I've got. It's here. Apparently it's mainly Twix and Starburst that and Snickers that everyone's getting. These compliments on your shoes too. You were just quick enough. Plonker. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Hi. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Have a great night. Back on big boy camera. Oh, focus. Back on big boy camera because this one's all undercover. Let's do this. So we're now at a light spittle, so I'll bring the camera out, but we've decided to go on the People Mover because we love it so much.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around the clock.
What? It always only goes around Tomorrowland. Do you see this in any other land?
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Horak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky.
I can't ever remember it being this violent. We're gonna go on Spooky Space Mountain?
Yeah.
Okay, we won't.
You two go on.
Okay. Do you wanna?
Okay.
Let's go.
It's a 30-minute time.
Well, we'll have a look at the time then. Dad and daughter going on space. We're gonna scream because it's in the pitch black. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh my God. I can't believe how dark it is. scarier. I loved it though. Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Happy Halloween, you guys. Enjoy the rest of the party, everybody. Oh, I love this. Happy Halloween, everybody.
You can't tell. A bit soggy. It's 20 to 11, which I think is the earliest we've ever left a party. The rain's just getting heavier and heavier. So called it quits, and the theme parks are shut tomorrow and Thursday. I couldn't remember what day we were on there because of Hurricane Ian. Pesky Ian. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this vlog. I probably won't film anything for the next 2 days because we'll be battening down the hatches. Maybe I'll see what we get given. I don't know. There we go. What we get given and how Disney treat you in a hurricane. If that's interesting, I don't know. But expect a couple of days to be all lumped together. So I'm gonna end this one though, because I think I filmed enough for one whole vlog. Truthfully, who knows, because I've lost track of time and space. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. All the links below, check it out. There's other videos, so here, is it here? I can't remember. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.